Good morning friends. So I welcome you all for my YouTube channel. So today I have come up with new trick for your competitive exams. So the trick here is, it is useful to calculate the value of product of two numbers. If you are multiplying two numbers, right? So how to make the process very fast, how to make it quick, right? That is what the trick is all about. Okay. So if it is a single digit or two digit number, you can make it very quickly by your conventional methods. But if it is very big number, right, or if there is a three digit number, even if you go for three digit number, it is time consuming. Two digit number is also sometimes it will be time consuming, right? How to make it within 5 to 10 seconds, that is the trick all about here. Okay, so if you want to go through this trick, okay, if you want to apply this trick for calculating the product of two numbers, there are certain conditions. If those conditions are fulfilled, then only you can apply the trick. First one, sum of unit place numbers should be equal to 10. So first condition here is sum of unit place numbers or unit place digits should be equal to 10. And second one, other number should be same. So what is the condition here? If you take sum of unit digit numbers, it should give you the value of 10, and except unit place number, other number should be same. For example, 24 and 26, right? What is sum of this unit place numbers? 4 plus 6, that will give you 10. And here 2 and 2, they are same. 33, 37, 25, 25, 101, 109, right? You can observe here 1 plus 9 will give you 10. Remaining parts are, here if it is 10, here also it should be 10, right? Then etc. So I hope the conditions are clear, right? If you add unit place digits, you should get the value of 10. 3 plus 7 is 10. Remaining all other place numbers are same. 5 plus 5, 10. So remaining 2 and 2 here. 1 plus 9, 10. Remaining here it is 10. Here also it is 10. 1 plus 9 it is 10. Here 4. So here also 4. So the condition is sum of unit digit number should be 10, and remaining number whatever they are, they should be same. If these two conditions are satisfied, then you can apply this trick. Okay. So now let us proceed with the procedure here, how to make the trick. Okay. So let us take this one. 33 into 37. So the procedure here is, what is the number except unit place? That is 3. Alright, in unit place we have 3 and 7 here. Apart from that, what is the number we are having here? 3. So add one number to this. So we are having 3 plus 1 is what? 4. So plus 1 is 4. So here what we are having? 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Right? So now what you should do? Multiply this 4 to 3. Multiply this 4 to 3. What you are getting here? 12. So first step is add 1 to this number. Except unit place, whatever number is there, that should be considered as single number. Right? Here we are having only 3. here also 3. So 3 plus 1 is what? 4. 3 plus 1 is 4, right? So 4 into this number 3, what we will get the answer? That will be 12. And what is 3 into 7? 21. Right? 3 into 7 is what? 21. This is how we should get the value of this product. So the product of 33 into 37 is 1221 or 1221. Coming to 25 and 25. We all know this value, but still we will see how easy it can be calculated this with this trick. So apart from unit place, what is the number here? 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 into 2 is 6. 5 into 5 is 25. So the answer for this is 625. Is that clear? Now coming to 101 and 109. Okay. 101 and 109. So except unit place, remaining number should be considered as single number. So what is the number here? 10. So 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 into 10 is 110. 11 into 10 is 110. What is 9 into 1? It is 9. But we cannot write it as only 9. We should write it as 09. We cannot write it as only 9. We should write it as 09. This happens only if you have 9 and 1. Apart from 9 and 1, any value are there, you can write directly what is the answer, whatever answer you are going to get. If only 9 and 1 are there, then don't write it as 9, write it as 09. This is one more thing you should be careful. Okay. So next, once again 41 and 49. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 into 4 is 20. 9 into 1 is 9. Once again we cannot write 9. We should write 09. Is that clear? 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 into 4 is 20. 9 into 1 is 9. So 9 has to be written as 09. Right? So you take any other number like 63 into 67. Right? 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 into 6. 7 into 6 is 42. 7 into 6 is 42. 7 into 3, 21. So the answer here will be 4221. You can take 74 into 76. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 into 7, 56. 8 into 7 is 56. Right? 4 into 6, 24. So the answer here will be 5624. Okay. So this is how we need to apply this trick here. So the only condition here to be followed is sum of unit place number should be 10 and other numbers should be same. Okay. So and one thing we should consider is when we have 1 and 9, don't write it as 9, you write it as 09. For any other value, you can follow as it is. For example, we can take here itself 82 into 88. So 2 plus 8, 10. Definitely we first condition is satisfied. Second, 8 and 8 both are same. So we can apply the trick. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So 9 into 8 is 72. 9 into 8 is 72. And 8 into 2, 16. 8 into 2 is what? 16. So this is how the trick is all about. So you can check out the answer with your calculator, right? You will get the same value, and you can also calculate it by normal method, right? And check how much time it will consume, right? And check how much time it will consume. Then you can feel the difference. What is the use of applying this trick? Okay. So with application of this trick, you can turn on your timer and try the process. you will get the answer within 5 seconds. That is for sure. Within 5 seconds you will get answer for any value, right? So whether the number is 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, any number, you will get the answer for within 5 seconds. So that is for sure, 100%. So one more thing is, we can apply this trick for multiplication of two numbers, alright, which will satisfy these two conditions. Also, right, also you can apply to find the squares, of numbers ending with 5. To find the squares of numbers ending with 5. For example, 15. Here also it is nothing but 25 square. It's nothing but what? 25 square. Right? Which will satisfy 5 and 5. It will give you 10. Some will be 10 and remaining numbers will be same. Here also 15 square. Right? There is nothing but 15 into 15. Right? If you take sum of unit place, it will give you the value. Alright? It will give you the value of the value is equal to 10, and remaining numbers obviously it will be same. So what is 15 square? 1 plus 1, 2. Right? 2 into 1, 2. 5 square is 25. So you will get the value. It's nothing like multiplying 15 into 15. Right? 1 is here. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. 5 into 5 is 25. It's like multiplying the number separately. Right? So you can use this number. You can use this trick to multiply or to get the product of numbers whose sum of unit place is 10 and remaining numbers are same. And also you can use this trick to get the value of squares who are ending with 5. Squares of any number ending with 5. Is that clear? So I hope the video is clear. So you can pause this video, take down the things if you feel like taking it down. Right? If you want to take down the numbers, you can take it down. Right? You can try this trick for different numbers. You will get the answer very easily. That is, as I said, within 5 seconds. Okay? So pause this video. You make a note of this. So friends, I hope the trick is very much clear for you, right? So we'll try to apply the same trick for these numbers. Already we have solved many numbers, right? Many problems, right? So but still we'll solve these problems, so the idea will be more clear, right? So you can start your timer now and check how much time it will take to solve all these numbers, right? First one is what? All numbers will satisfy the condition that is different. Right, let's directly try to apply the trick here. What is the number apart from 3 unit place here? 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 into 3 is 12. 8 into 2 is 16. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 into 5, 30. 9 into 1 is 9. So we should write it as 0, 9. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 into 7. What is 8 into 7? 56. 8 into 2, 16. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 into 4, 20. 4 into 6, 24. 5 plus 1, 6. Right? 6 into 5, 30. 7 into 3, 21. Right? So 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 into 2 is 6. Right? 3 into 7 is 21. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 into 3 is 12. 7 into 3 is 21. So here we have 10. Apart from unit place, what is the number? All the digits should be considered a single number. 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 into 10 is 110. 6 into 4 is 24. Now we have 12 here. 12 plus 1, 13. 13 into 12, 156. 3 into 7, 21. So you can see all together we have taken hardly 2 minutes. So how many problems are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. right? So multiplication of 9 numbers, hardly it has taken 1.5 to 2 minutes, right? So this is how the trick really works. It is really applicable, really beneficial. It will reduce your time to a greater extent. Only you should be aware that its unit sum of unit place number is 10 and remaining numbers are same. Okay, so you can pause this video, take down this value here, right? Also you can try for these things. Okay, so you can try the value for this. Okay, so pause the video, take down the things. So friends, I hope you have tried this one, right? I hope you have tried all these 4 problems. I will give you the answers, you can cross verify them. 3 into 2 is 6, 7 into 3 is 21. Okay, this is already solved there. Right, 113 into 117. Here it will be 12. 12 into 11. 12 into 11 is 132. 7 into 3 is 21. So here 14. 14 into 13. So 14 into 13 will be 182. 3 into 7 is 21. So 15, that means 16. 16 into 15. So 16 into 15 is 240. Right? 9 into 1 will be 9. So it should be written as 09. So these are the answers. So you can cross verify them. Right? I hope the concept is very much clear. So the thing which is required here is more and more practice. So it is very simple also. It is like playing a game over the numbers. Right? So you take different numbers, try them. So if ever you get any doubt, you can pin me in the comment box. So I'll get back to you. Okay? So with this, we'll stop this session here. So to get more and more tricks, to get the idea to get the knowledge about more and more tricks, you can subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of the video which is been made on the tricks. Okay, so we'll stop here. So you can try with different numbers. Okay, thank you.